Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1010 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to finally be trying out the Lancome Monsieur. I was trying to practice how to pronounce that before this video and I'm sure I still pronounced it wrong. The Monsieur Big Mascara. I'm sure you know exactly what I'm talking about because this is such a popular, loved mascara and I have been wanting to try it for so long and I have a sample here. But so this is supposed to be super volumizing, which is what I love for my lashes. It claims up to 12 times more volume. So that is absolutely crazy. So the full-size version of this retails for $25. Ooh, even this little sample size packaging is cute. So let me show you the wand. Ooh, this is the type of wand that I like, and that tends to be really good in my opinion. So here is what that looks like. It's that type that has kind of like the messy, uneven bristles, and it's not too big. Okay, and let's see how it is. All right, so the first layer, I mean, it's not looking crazy volumizing or anything like that yet, but I like that there is no clumping. The lashes are staying separated and it's definitely a very black color. So yeah, one layer I don't think really emphasizes the lashes at all. It doesn't really add volume or length or curl. It kind of just coats it in that black color, but hopefully this will be buildable. But so while I let that first layer dry a little bit, let's see how it is on the lower lashes. It's a little bit tricky for my lower lashes just because the wand is slightly big for a lower lash mascara. It's fine, it's not too messy, but I feel like it's, oh, there I go, I just made a mess. But it's kind of hard to get all of the lashes. So yeah, not the best lower lash mascara for me. But let's see if I can build up the top lashes. It seems to be kind of buildable, but it still is not really adding that much volume at all. At least the lashes are still staying separated and fanned out and there's no clumping. But I also feel like it's not really sticking to the ends of my lashes, so it's not being very lengthening. And I can feel like it dries down kind of like crispy, which sounds kind of weird, but I feel like I'm not seeing the volume that I was expecting or hoping for. So I'm gonna layer it up again, but any mascara that takes this long to layer up to get the full effect is kind of not my favorite because then I have to sit there and just layer and layer. And as much as I love to just sit here and layer my mascara, most of the time I don't have the time or patience to do that when I'm getting ready. But okay, now that I'm layering on even more, I feel like this is what I want. Now it's looking super volumized, but the lashes are still staying separated and not clumping together, which is something I really look for in my mascara because I want it to look like I have a lot of lashes. I don't want them all clumping together and making it look like my lashes are really sparse. And now I do feel like it's sticking to the ends more. I'm kind of tapping on the ends, but it's not the most lengthening. It doesn't really claim to be lengthening, it claims to be more volumizing. And after layering and layering, it does look super volumizing. So that is a beautiful difference. So let me show you a zoomed in view of how my lashes look with the mascara versus without it. And it really is a beautiful effect. Now I am understanding why there is the hype around this, because once you layer it up, it seriously does give that super full, volumized, falsy effect, but it takes a while to get there. I like that it's not very messy, though. Like, I'm not getting mascara on my eyelid. The other thing is that it's not very lifting and curling. So my lashes look super volumized, but they look very straight out. So I would definitely still need to use a lash curler with this. So I think it really does what it claims, which is to be very volumizing, but it doesn't do the other things I look for in a mascara, such as lengthen and lift. But okay, here are my finished lashes, and they look really good. They look so full, so fluttery and pretty, where I don't even feel like I need to put on false lashes because my lashes look so full from how volumizing this is. So I do really like this. So I do understand the hype now, and I know that I'm going to be wearing this a lot, and even to the point where I could see myself spending the $25 to get the full-size version, because, you know, that volumizing effect is really, really nice. I can't argue with that. I just really feel like I need to curl my lashes, but aside from that, I'm so happy with how my lashes look. So let me know in the comments down below if you think that this mascara is worth the hype. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.